So you just bought yourself a new couch, but has anyone told you how to look after it? A new couch should last you on average between 7 and 15 years, but with regular maintenance, your couch can last much longer. Mine is 19 years old. If you have a vacuum with an upholstery attachment, this is ideal for vacuuming a sofa. You should vacuum your sofa at least once a week. This will keep your sofa free from dirt and dust. Vacuum the surface of the sofa starting from the top of the back of the sofa in small sections. You should also vacuum any nooks and crannies. If you can, remove the seating cushions and then vacuum underneath. Use a lint roller regularly. This is especially important if you have pets. A couple of times a week, run a lint roller over your sofa. Practice your plumping skills daily and keep your sofa cushions and seating cushions looking tip-top. Give them a regular flip and flop and turn them and keep them looking nice and even. Flip your seating cushions every 2 weeks. Protect your fabric couch by Scotch Garding it. This should be done every 6 months. Any spills will be much easier to handle as they will sit on the surface of the fabric. If something spills on your sofa or you notice a stain, you should start addressing the situation by looking at the manufacturer's label. This will tell you how to properly clean your sofa based on its material. Now, if you don't have a manufacturer's label on your sofa, then here's what I recommend. Half a teaspoon of dish soap, 2 cups of warm water, all in a spray bottle, and you're going to need a microfiber cloth. Start off by lightly spraying the stain area with warm soapy water and spray your microfiber cloth also. Then lightly rub the stain till it starts shifting. Add more soapy water if required. Then leave to air dry.